Welcome to the channel. Do you want to add your Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify store? Today I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how quick and easy it is. Let's dive in. So the first thing we want to do is from Shopify on our homepage, we want to go and click on Add over here under Apps, and you'll be redirected to this page. Here are a bunch of apps, but what we ultimately are looking for is the Shopify App Store, and it'll bring you right over here. Now, right at the top, you're going to dial in Trustpilot Reviews, and you will actually find right over here that there is the Trustpilot Reviews over here. This is the icon. Go ahead and click on Install. Now, your installation process will be pretty much the same with every app. You'll need to grant permission so that the app can connect with your Shopify store. You then need to just install the app. You can review all of the data that is shared between the app and your Shopify store right over here as well. But within the next few seconds, this installation will take place, and you're able to then go back to your home page, as it's now redirected me. On the left, you will find underneath apps, the Trustpilot Reviews. It will now also just open up over here, and here you will grant permission for them to connect. You'll be redirected to this page now. Here you can create a free account. So what you want to go ahead and do is add your website, which will be your Shopify store, your company name, first name, last name, job title, your work email address, and then your phone number, number of employees, your annual revenue, and go ahead and click on this box. I give Trustpilot consent to place cookies on my website, and go ahead and click on create free account. You'll have to activate your email address, so go ahead and just click on activate account within your emails. You'll get redirected to here, which is this page, and here it is essentially allowing you to connect your two apps, which was your Shopify store and this Trustpilot app. Now go over here and decide what is going to happen. So you are going to choose your email template. You are then going to decide how and when they're sent, and then you're going to connect your email system right over here. If you want to go back here to the Trustpilot Reviews app on your Shopify store, you're going to go ahead and you are going to just refresh your page. Once you've refreshed your page, it'll ask you to just confirm your domain settings. So go ahead, check the box, click on connect. You have now successfully connected Trustpilot Reviews to your Shopify store. Over here now, you can see that you have some free invitations, and there is a bit of a dashboard. You can go down over here, and you've already connected your Trustpilot account with your Shopify store. So everything that happens now on Trustpilot, as you go through this process of creating that email template, deciding how and when it's sent, and then connecting your email system, over here, this will now also sync to Shopify. You can see over here all of your details. I hope this was helpful.